Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So I'm going to be sharing some products that I'm currently loving at the moment. I guess you could say these are my current favorites. And I do have some skincare products here. I also have a few makeup items, and I also have some hair care products as well. So if you're curious to see what my current obsessions are right now, then please keep on watching. And I apologize if you can hear my air conditioning in the background. I know I say this sometimes in my videos. I usually try to turn it off when I'm filming so that you can't hear that background noise. But today is honestly one of the hottest days of the year so far. It's 30, feels like 35, and it's very humid. So I apologize if you can hear that. So I am going to share some makeup products first. Now the brand that I'm going to be starting off with is Merit. Now Merit is a clean, cruelty-free vegan makeup company, and they did gift me these not too long ago, and I've really enjoyed the ones that they have gifted me so far, and I do see myself incorporating the products a lot into my everyday makeup routine. So whether I am using all of these products together or I'm mixing and matching some of these with my other makeup products, I've really been enjoying them. So of course I want to share it with all of you. So the first product that I really love is their cream blush. Now I have it in the color Mood. So it does look pretty dark, but it does have a dark raspberry color to it. And I am wearing it today, so you can definitely sheer it out and make it look more natural, or of course you can build it up. And the reason why I like this color is because it gives you a natural sunburnt look. So it does allow you to have that sun-kissed look, like you've been outside all day, but without being outside all day. And I really like this. So what I do is I just tap on the color and blend it in with my fingers. And of course you can use a brush or a sponge, but I think the fingers work the best because your fingers are warm and it really helps to melt the product into your skin. So I really do like this. You can use this on your eyelids as well. So just grab a little bit, apply it to your lids, and of course you can apply it to your lips as well. So love this, and there are other shades to pick from also. The other two products that I have, I wasn't sure if I was going to like these, but I actually quite like them. And this is the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick, and you can also use this as a concealer as well. So I do have it in the color Cream as well as Ochre. So Ochre is darker, and Cream is a little bit lighter. Again, there are so many shades to pick from depending on what you're looking for. And I tend to mix these two together when I use them because one is too light and the other one is a little bit too dark. So mixing the two tends to work for me. And of course you can apply this all over for a full coverage look, or you can sheer it out and have more of a light to medium coverage. Now when I use these, I tend to use these on the days that I feel like I don't want to wear any makeup. So I will apply this to certain areas on my face just to even out my skin tone. So my cheeks are usually an area where I have hyperpigmentation, so I apply a little bit there, a little bit on my chin, and I do apply this a little bit underneath the eyes as well, just to even it out and to brighten up the area. So I love these, they're very convenient, and these are the two colors just to show you in case you have a similar skin tone than I do. So this one is Ochre and this one is Cream. They also have a brush that is designed to apply the foundation, but I personally like using my fingers instead because again, the warmth of the fingers really helps to melt the product better into your skin. I've also been really enjoying their Volumizing Brow Pomade. This is also a brow gel all-in-one. So instead of filling in your eyebrows with a pencil, you can grab a product like this, and it has a nice little tiny brush on it. You choose the color that of course would match your brows, and I do have mine in the color Blonde, and you just brush through your brows and it helps to fill them in, give you more volume, but it also sets your brows in place as well, which I really like. And I do have this on my brows today, and it does look pretty natural. So I've been really enjoying this because it's quick and easy, and when you're in a rush in the morning, it's just so easy to apply and still achieve that fuller look. And I also really love the Tinted lip oil in the color Pink Beet. I do have it on my lips today, and I really like it because you can build it up to have it more bold, or of course you can sheer it out just for a wash of color. So I will show you what this looks like on the back of my hand just so you can get a better idea of the shade, and that's what it looks like there. So I've really enjoyed all of these products because it does create a minimalist look. So you look natural, but you still look put together. But of course, if you would like to build up these products for a more full coverage, bold look, you can definitely do that. Another brand that I've been enjoying when it comes to makeup is by ILIA. And I do talk a little bit about this brand here and there. During the Sephora spring event, I did pick up some products, and I've really been enjoying their bronzer and highlighter at the moment. Now, I have so many products from this brand, so let me know if you would like to see a makeup look just using ILIA products, because I do create a lot of everyday makeup looks just using this makeup brand as well. So let me know in the comments below. But this is the bronzer in the color Drawn In, and there are other shades to pick from as well. I believe this is the lightest shade, and I do have it on today, and it really does give that perfect warmth to the skin. And I will sometimes use this for the crease of my eye as well, and use it as an eyeshadow. So you can use bronzers in so many ways, but I've really been enjoying this since I picked it up back in the spring. And for their highlight, I have it in the color Decades, and there are other shades to pick from as well. So of course, I will use this for my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose. I will use this sometimes as an eyeshadow. I do like to highlight underneath my brow bone with this also. So I've been really enjoying this. Moving on to skincare, I have two favorites right now. The first one is from the INKEY list, and this is the Polyglutamic acid. I did review this a few weeks ago, so if you haven't seen that video yet, I will leave it below for you as well as up here. This is very similar to hyaluronic acid, but this actually holds on to 4 times more moisture than hyaluronic acid. So it's very plumping, very hydrating. You actually use this as your last serum in your skincare routine before your moisturizer and your sunscreen, and it really performs well for plumping. Your skin looks so youthful, but it also feels very hydrated as well throughout the day. And you can actually mix a drop or two into your foundation and apply it that way as well. So there are so many ways that you can use this product, and I just think that it's a product that everyone should have in their skincare routine, whether you're using it on your face or on your hands or even into your body care products. It really is lovely, and it's one of my top favorite products right now from the INKEY list. And the next skincare product is by NIOD, and this is the Superoxide Dismutase Saccharide Mist. I did feature this product in my morning skincare routine that I uploaded a few videos ago. If you haven't seen that video, I will leave it below for you. But this is a great product to incorporate if you want to add more hydration into your skincare routine. This will actually help to prevent water loss. So you want to apply this to damp skin after cleansing, both morning and evening. So apply this before your serums. You can also apply this to your body before applying your body care products as well, and it really does help to lock in that hydration. If you have any redness or inflammation, this can help to calm your skin as well, and this also helps to protect your skin from environmental stressors throughout the day caused by pollution. And of course, this can be used every day, twice a day. So I've definitely been loving this one from NIOD. Okay, I lied. I had one more skincare product to share. This is by Glow Recipe, and this is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. Now, I picked this up during the Sephora Spring Savings event, and I have been using it on and off since then, but recently I've started to incorporate it a lot more. I really love the texture. It sits well underneath makeup and sunscreen. It pairs up with all of my skincare products so nicely. I never experienced paling with this product whatsoever, which is incredible, because normally with niacinamide, from my experience, you can experience a lot of paling, especially once you've applied your sunscreen on top or even your makeup. And depending on the product and the formulation, it can be a problem. But this one's been incredible, to be honest with you. It smells amazing. It's very hydrating. I do find this to be pretty lightweight as well. I will sometimes use this in the morning, but I generally use this more so in the evening. So I will show you what this looks like on the back of my hand in case you haven't seen it before. That's what it looks like there. I would say you only need about 2 drops for your face and maybe 1 or 2 drops for your neck, depending on how much you want to apply, but it does spread pretty nicely. A little bit goes a long way. It does absorb pretty quickly also. You will have a little bit of a tacky feel to the skin, but nothing crazy, and it does give a beautiful glow to the skin as well, which I love. I have 3 hair care products. They're all from the same brand, and I also purchased these during the Sephora Spring Savings event. And the brand is Briogeo, and this is the Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo. I also have the Deep Conditioning Mask, and I also have the Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Heat Protectant, which also acts as a leave-in conditioner. Now this line is designed for damaged hair. It's supposed to help strengthen and repair your hair. Now I don't necessarily have damaged hair, but sometimes my hair can be frizzy. It can feel dry and crispy sometimes, and when I go and get my hair freshly bleached at the salon, usually after my hair appointment, my hair can feel a little bit dry. So I do like to use products like this to help strengthen and repair my hair. I still use Olaplex, I still love it, but I've been using these 3 products religiously since receiving it back in the spring, and I've seen such a difference in my hair where it feels healthier, it looks shinier, and it feels stronger as well, which I love. I have pretty fine hair, so if I can achieve that with my fine hair, then I am happy. There's also no harsh sulfates, parabens, or silicones. It is clean as well, and it has a nice scent to it also. So I highly recommend these 3 products. These have been my favorites since the spring, and if you haven't tried this brand before, highly recommend. So those are all of my current favorites that I have been obsessed with, and I really hope that you enjoyed today's video and that you found it helpful. Hopefully I was able to introduce you to a few new things that perhaps maybe you would like to try out for yourself. And of course I will have everything that I talked about in today's video linked below for you. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and of course I will see you all in my next video. Take care, and I will see you guys then. Bye guys.